made? Let's find out.
How is it made?
A teddy bear.
Well, I'm here in a big teddy bear shop. Just look how many teddy bears there are.
There are lots of different types of teddy bear.
Today we're going to see how a teddy bear just like this one is made. Hello, Teddy. And making a teddy bear all starts with the fur. This teddy's fur is made from something called mohair, which comes from a goat, a type of goat called an Angora goat. Next to the teddy bear shop is the teddy bear factory, and these are all the rolls of mohair. There are so many different colours. This is Ian, and Ian's going to cut out the shape of the new teddy bears in the mohair using this big machine. Ian uses a different cutter for each part of the teddy bear, and he's starting with the teddy bear's heads. It's like a giant set of biscuit cutters, and he uses the big machine as a press. Here we are, and look, can you see the little holes here and here? That's where the teddy bear's eyes are going to go.
Next, Ian cuts out some teddy bear bodies. And then he cuts out some arms and legs.
Because each teddy bear has 2 arms and 2 legs, Ian puts one layer of mohair on top of the other, so that when he starts cutting, he gets 2 of everything. So this will become 2 teddy bear legs.
When all the pieces have been cut out, they're taken to the next part of the factory, the sewing area.
This lady here is sewing the teddy bear arms and legs, and that lady is sewing the teddy bear heads. All of these pieces have been sewn. We have arms, legs, and a body. But can you see that the fur is on the inside? That's because teddy bear parts are sewn inside out, so that when they're turned the right way out, all of the stitching is hidden. So the next stage is for all of these pieces to be turned the right way out. And look at this arm now. The fur is on the outside and the stitching is hidden on the inside. So we have 2 arms, 2 legs and a body, but there's one part missing. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's the head. But before the head is turned the right way out, it needs a pair of eyes. The eyes are made of plastic, and just look at all of them here.
There are lots